Do you want to make a birthday cake?
Yay!
Great! So let's start. Careful, Gaagaa. Careful, Gaagaa. It is Harry the Bunny's birthday today, and his friends are organizing a surprise party for him. Googoo and Gaagaa are helping to prepare the birthday cake. It's going to be a colorful cake with 3 layers, so let's start with the bottom. Okay, the bottom layer is all smooth and ready. What do you say? Shall we make the second layer? This blue is so nice.
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
The second layer is ready too. The third layer will be the smallest of them all.
It's your day. Don't throw it away. Come to celebrate.
It's done!
Another
1, 2, 3 layers. 1, 2, 3 layers.
birthday to you.
Now, let's make some decoration for the cake.
Happy birthday to
Stars. These will look nice on the cake.
making me feel fine. I wish the day
What is this shape?
would come to an end. So come on and party. One day
Is it a unicorn?
that it's your birthday.
Yes, it is a unicorn.
Happy birthday to
Harry loves unicorns.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow, that's a beautiful cake, Googoo and Gaagaa. Well done. Hey guys, look what Googoo and Gaagaa brought.
Wow! Amazing!
You should be proud of yourself, Googoo and Gaagaa. Everything is now ready for the party. Plates and napkins for the cake. Decorations on the wall. Harry's friends are all here.
Wow, this cake looks so yummy. I think I better taste it just to see if...
No, Hug, stop! No touching the cake until Harry arrives.
But, are you sure? A little bite, just to check.
Look at the time. Harry should be here any minute. Quick, let's go hide so he won't see us.
I need something big to hide behind.
I'll just fly up.
Hurry, Googoo Gaagaa. Find a place to hide.
He's coming! He's coming!
Shh, quiet. Hey, what a lovely cake. But where? Oh!
Surprise!
Wow! I've never had a surprise party. Thank you, friends.
Come on, Harry, make a wish and blow the candle so we can finally eat the cake. Yay! Happy birthday! Okay, now can we eat the cake?
Blow candles on my cake. Now let's shout it out and say happy birthday to me. Hooray! It's my party. Welcome guests. Thanks for coming. You're the best.
Hey! Do you like Googoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.